Hello, Star Stable fans. Today we are exploring Goldenhills Valley with one of my friends. Okay, let me just put my horse over here to drink some water with this beautiful American paint. Come on, Charity, get back in the saddlebag. Ah! Faith, please stop. You are very restless today. If you do not stop squeaking, you will go into storage for a week as punishment. No matter how much I love you, Penguin. This is very fun. Just sitting here relaxing. With the wonderful view, I mean, look at the view. Just look at it. With the Aurora Borealis. And look, you can even see the vineyard and the riding arena. And it's just so pretty. I mean, look at the sky. The little camp and the castle. No one's been able to get up to that castle, I think. It's just some sort of abandoned castle. But it's so pretty. Someone said that it was one of the wonders of Star Stable. I forgot who did that. She just fell and took a dangerous fall. The humans have such short, dangerous falls. I mean, a horse could survive that. Okay, I'm down here. I mean, seriously, look at how short that dangerous fall is. I'm just standing in this crevice. But look at the Aurora Borealis. Oops. Let me just go around by this other way. This is definitely one of the wonders of Star Stable. Okay. There, okay. Star Stable is like all about having fun and just like making friends and stuff. And this is totally fun. I mean, this is like one of the probably best views on Star Stable. Just take a moment to look at the view. This is Aideen's Ascent, I think. Look at Scarecrow Hill with the tree. Recently, I just did a quest with Lisa, one of the Soul Riders, that connects a tree from the Forgotten Fields to this tree so they can talk to each other. It was so sweet. Can you run on this rock? Yes. Look at Goldenleaf Forest. Oh, there's no wolves to look at today. It's just horrible. I fell. Obviously. Here's the castle. Wait, I wonder if we can actually get to that castle. This is how you get up onto the ridge. Achievement. Use photo mode to take a picture of in every large region of Jorvik, Silverglade, Harvest County, south of Mistfall, Goldenhills Valley, Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur, Epona. So I just got gold for that. Now we can run across the bridge. Look at this balcony. I wish that humans were taller on this. But look at that. Our horses are probably thinking that we've deserted them. So I think that is the end of exploring Goldenhills Valley. I might do another part, but this is just so beautiful. So, bye guys. I hope you had a very good time.